Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your replaced battery in your Honor 6X is not well performing. So if you have some errors when calibrating or not good measurements in your battery, at first I'd recommend to use the original charger and cable. If you have some unoriginal things to your phone, for example, you've bought some on Temu, AliExpress, etc., it's not well. A weak cable charger may provide a stable voltage for your battery, and it can interfere with charging measurements, and I've experienced it myself a year ago actually. And when replacing the battery, make sure you are charging the phone with working original or certified charger, for example Bezos, and a cable that's not from Temu too. It can be from Bezos, etc. When it will help you, I recommend to check the charging port, which is here, of course. If you have here some dirt, I don't, but if you have here some dirt, etc., lint, dust, gently clean it with a toothpick or compressed air. Here I have bought myself a Temu cleaner. Yes, you can buy cleaning items from Temu. You have to just clean it with a brush here, but of course without any strength, with as you can see, delicate movements. It should help you. Poor contact may cause charging interruptions. Of course, I recommend to have your phone clean every time. Apart from that, fully charge and discharge your battery, which is called the calibration in your phone. If you perform a full charge and discharge cycle, this is one cycle from 0 to 100%, the battery will be calibrated. This cycle might help recalibrate the battery indicator with its actual capacity. The phone will measure what is the minimum and what is the maximum, of course. At first, charge your phone to 100%, then keep it on a charger for 30-40 minutes more, then use the phone, for example, not maybe playing, but watching some videos, etc. Just use your phone as usual. Then let it drop about 5 to 10%, but avoid complete shutdown at 0%, and it should help you to calibrate. Apart from that, restart your device. So here, as you can see, I do have my phone, and restarting this device, if you notice that the percentage gets stuck at a certain level, it should help. Sometimes reboot helps refresh the battery reading. So you just have to hold the power button, which is over here, this second one, and stop restart here and touch to restart. It may take a while, it can be in the background. And the next thing is to wipe cache, which is declining temporary memory. If the battery percentage reading issue continues, try entering recovery mode. Press and hold power plus volume up button, which I will show you in a minute, on a powered off phone until the immediate menu appears. Then select wipe cache partition without deleting data and restart the phone. Cleaning the cache partition may help after battery replacement, allowing the system to relearn the battery parameters. I hope so that the service did it before you get the phone, but I will show you now how to do so. You have to press and hold the power and volume up button when the phone is turned off until you see the MUI logo. So let's wait a moment until our phone turns off completely. I will clean my Temu cleaner now. And then now, when, as you can see, our phone is turned off, we can hold the power button and volume up button. Now as you can see, we see the Honor powered by Android. It can take a while, don't worry. Here as you can see, we do have something which we didn't see earlier, which is the IMEI logo. Here we have to reboot system now, because I don't know why recovery mode failed. We have to do the same thing again after some period of time. Now when the phone is completely turned off again, we can hold the same buttons until we see the IMEI logo. Wait a moment. Now. Let's wait. Here, as you can see now, we are done and we are in the recovery mode. Here we do have three options: reboot system now, wipe data / factory reset, and here they have wipe cache partition. With the volume down button, we can go to wipe cache partition, and with the power, we can click that. It won't actually delete our data. It should just wipe cache partition. And now we can reboot system now with the volume plus button, now power button, and now it should help us. If it didn't help us and you have some, of course, you worry about this, you can just observe through a few cycles. The new battery may require a few full charge discharge cycles before the Android system fully calibrates the indicator. For example, the Intelligent Battery Manager needs to learn the new capacity. It's very commonly seen in the latest Android phones or even iPhones. Use the phone normally for a few days and check if the readings are stabilizes. And apart from that, the final tip from me to you is to claim a defective battery. If despite calibration and the above steps I showed you in this previous 7 minutes, then the battery still jumps or the phone shuts down suddenly, for example at the 20%, the battery may be faulty or not original. In such a case, just contact the seller that sold you this battery or service center where you change this battery, and consider replacing the battery with another one. Hope it helped you and now your phone works and well again. And that's it. If you have some questions, ask them in the comments below. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.